Hi, it's Tangi with Boots and Beats Line Dancing. Today I have a fun, brand new line dance. It's beginner, 32 counts, 4 walls, and it's from the same choreographer that brought us the bar song, Ben Murphy. This dance is called Sippin Country, and it starts like this. First set of 8 counts. We're going to step forward and do a right diagonal for 1, bring the left together for 2, then we're going to do the left side. Left diagonal, 3, 4. Now we're going to walk forward 2 times on the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that second set of 8 counts. We're going to do a rock recover on the right foot, and then we're going to quarter turn. So it's going to be rock, recover, quarter turn with the right, step back together with the left. That was 1, 2, 3, 4. And to finish that second set of 8 counts, we're going to open our legs up a little bit with the right, and we're going to take our knees and just swerve them out. Right, left, right, left. So putting that second set of 8 counts together, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's put the first and the second 8 counts together. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, to start that third set of 8 counts, we're going to do 2 body rolls. Turn slightly diagonal to the left and do 2 body rolls. Body roll, and then do the right side. Body roll, body roll. If you don't know how to body roll, start with your chest, bring it up and down, and then sit in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that is your third set of 8 counts. Let's put those first 3 sets together so we can memorize. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. The last set of 8 counts. We're going to do some heel fans. Starting on the right, we're going to go heel fan right, heel fan left, heel fan right. Let me face forward, heel fan right, left, right. So it's heel fan, heel fan, heel fan, hitch, set it down, and tap 2 times. Let me face forward for a second. That was fan, 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 hitch, tap, tap. And that's the end of the whole dance. So we're going to start all over from there. But let's go ahead and put that part to count. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you're ready to start over. Diagonal, diagonal, and forward. Diagonal on the right, diagonal on the left, then forward 2 times on the right. Step together, step together. Now rock, recover, quarter turn. Rock, recover, quarter turn, together with the left, out with the right, open, 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 open. Body rolls. To the left, 2 times, to the right, 2 times. Heel fans. Right, left, then right, hit your knee, hitch, tap, tap. Okay, let's go ahead and do 4 walls together. First I'll do the steps and then we'll do the counts, okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Diagonal, diagonal, and forward. Rock, recover. Quarter turn. Open, 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 open. Body roll. Body roll. Heel fan, heel fan, heel fan. Hitch, tap, tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Diagonal, diagonal, and forward. 2, 3, 4. Rock, recover, quarter turn, open. 2, 3, 4, 5. Roll. Then right side. Heel fan, heel fan, heel fan. Hit. 1, 2. Thank you for joining me today. Again, I'm Tangi with Boots and Beats Line Dancing, and I really look forward to dancing this one with you out there somewhere. I'll see you soon.